So you go to the strategy lab. Okay, I go to Deep Trader. Okay, so you can put in your entry, your parameter. This is a trading stop. Okay, so right now we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 trading stop. I'm going to talk about candle low break below moving average. Why candle low break below moving average? Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, this is a very simple exercise. Okay, I'm going to use my moving average. Let's just say we use 10 days. Okay, 10 days, and I'm going to turn this off. 10 days is too volatile. Okay, this is a moving average. So let me just use 20. Okay, good. Okay, so what it means if this stock doesn't close below the moving average, which is the 20-day moving average, sorry, the 20-day moving average, you continue to hold the stock. For example, if you buy here, right? You buy here where my arrow is. Let me just draw an arrow for you. Let's say if you take a trade here, okay, so if the stock continue to go higher and it didn't close below the moving average, you continue to hold your stock. Hold until it breaks. This is what we call trailing stop using the moving average. Okay, so with that little concept, let us now come and take a look at the, okay, if you click the eye over here, guys, you click the eye over here, it will explain to you in more details. Okay, so this is essentially the moving average. Okay, and then this is where you buy. So after you buy, you are using the moving average to trail, but it doesn't immediately help you to protect the profit and trail for you. You need to specify a minimum gain over here, a minimum gain. That means, okay, in this example, it must achieve a minimum gain of 5%. Okay, that means the stock price must go up by 5% before it starts to use the moving average to trail your profit for you. Okay, you don't want to just anyhow trail the profit. Sometimes after you buy, the stock may dance on the line and you may get cut immediately. So you want the stock to achieve a certain percentage of gain, and then you kick in the trailing stop and let the price trail. Okay, trail the profit. So you move all the way until here. Okay, it starts to come and threaten your moving average. Okay, over here. But after that, bounce and go up. So no problem, never exit until this happen. So you can see after this happen, right? Okay, it has, okay, we set the candle low break period to 2. Okay, there's a candle low period here. Candle low period, candle low break period 2. That means 2 candles. That means if there are 2 candles trade under the moving average, then it is time to take the profit. Okay, so let's come back here. So this is the first one. This one doesn't count because this one is sitting on the moving average. So this is the first candle that traded below this moving average. This is the second candle that traded below the moving average. So you will have a trailing stop line, a price established over here. So if the stock continue to trade lower, it will exit the stock for you. This is how using this method can help you trail your profits. Now, how many of you feel that, wow, this is very useful and you're missing this in your trading? Comment 1 for me. Okay, comment 1 for me. Okay. Now, the moving average period to use. Okay, don't use 50. Usually, is between 10 to 20. It depends on the stock. It's between 10 to 20. Now, this is for people who are technically savvy and you want to use your own parameters, you can go ahead and set. Otherwise, right, for most people, later I will tell you how easy it is to use. You don't even have to bother about all this. I just take this chance to explain to you what is a trailing stop, because in our robot, trailing stop is very important. This is what makes the robot profitable. So that is why I want to take this seminar to explain to you that our robot are using trailing stop so that you can score big wins. Okay, next. So this is the summary of what we have gone through. Now, first of all, not all the stocks in the market, remember, we are using our TM38 watch list or TM100 watch list. Okay, now let me show you what are the stocks inside. Okay, so this is the TM100, TM38 watch list over here. So once I click it, right, you can see these are the only stocks that it is trading. This list is updated every year. Annually, it will be updated. Okay, it will be updated. Then so that every year you're using a fresh list of stock that are trending powerfully. The P percentage is green color. Oh, so this is this criteria. So remember, only TM100, TM38 can satisfy this need. Then you use a trend master strategy, the green arrow, to buy at the low. And then use trailing stop method to ride big trend. If you can do all these three correctly, this is the winning trade. Okay, so let me show you some of our members' profits, okay, using this system. So this, okay, we mask the name for privacy. So this Mr. T scored $466 in profit, fully automatic using the robot. Okay, this is 497, Madam M, and this is $636. Okay, so initial fund for $10,400. So high return due to one trade ASA profit 678. Okay, the rest are mainly in TM100. So this is his experience. So he makes $636, fully automatic. And this is $847. Okay, all this fully automatic. This is $918, fully automatic. Okay, these are all the performance that the member has shared with me. Let me share with you where is the source, so that you know where is the source. Just give me one moment. I'm going to my Facebook to show you. Now, this is our community page. We are talking inside every day. So this is the track, okay, where I ask the members to help show me the profits right here. Okay, I'm going to show all comments. There you go. So one by one, they all show their profit screenshot from different people right here. Okay, so these are all the real profits shared by our members. Okay. Now, how many of you can see that, hey, this strategy can work and probably it is something that can help you? Comment one for me. Comment one for me. You think that, hey, this strategy can work, or you want to use it? Comment one for me. Okay, so let's now go through the robots. Just now I was showing you all the screening, how it works. So let us introduce you to the robots. So these are the stock robots that is available. Let me introduce you to two of them, the star of the K2 platform, which is Trendmaster 100 and Trendmaster 38. These are the two most powerful strategy on the robot today that a lot of our members are benefiting from. Okay, let us see why is it so good. So based on our backtesting of the last 5 years, 2019 to 2024, you can see that for Trendmaster 100, right, if a 5K capital, okay, 5K capital, you will gain 210%, outperform S&P 500 by a mile. Okay, S&P 500 close to 100% over the last 5 years, but for our robot, it's about 210% backtested data. Okay, and the profit factor. Now, for profit factor, under 1 is losing strategy. Anything more than 1 is profitable strategy. That means the strategy will make money in the long run. And the strategy has got a 91% win rate. Now, guys, again, I need to explain to you why is it high win rate, because it takes up trending stocks using the percentage P to control. Okay, now what about maximum drawdown? What is maximum drawdown? Okay, maximum drawdown, right? Okay, no strategy can win all the time. Now, this is a fact. Okay, I need you to understand this. So during the bear market, during a market correction, it will take some losses. How many of you think that it is reasonable? Yeah, during the bad time, because the stocks are all coming down, no strategy can escape, sure will take a few hits. How many of you can understand this? Comment one for me. Because there are people who expect 100% win rate. Cannot be lah, I think everybody here is quite reasonable. You know, you traded before, you invested before, you understand that there is no free lunch in the world. Definitely there will be time when the robot will not make it. Okay, now these are during the market correction time. So that is why we have what we call the equity drawdown. That means the period where the strategy is not making money and is also losing money. So the worst outcome is 22% down. That means if you funded $10,000, okay, you are going to lose 2,000. Okay, lose 2,000. But the most important thing is after that, the robot can still function and come back strongly when the market recovers. This is what the human trader cannot do. a lot of people, when hit into a correction or go into a bear market, they give up. They give up too easily. They give up. They got no mood to follow the market. Like recently, Singapore market rally, all right. So many people miss the trend. They come in too late already. All the stock really move off their bottom. Or so many times it happens like Wall Street as well. During the July sell-off, August sell-off, mid of August turned up already. Then everybody's stunned. Hey, how come so fast? Late already. Robot will not have this problem because robot has no emotion. It will just follow the rule and take trade and trade. That is why it is able to come back, while a human trader will not be able to function as swiftly. Okay, not everybody, definitely there will be super traders around, but most of the people. Okay. So this is the worst, which is during the COVID time. Now, if you think that during COVID, lose 22% is reasonable, okay, then this robot is for you. Because during COVID, nothing goes up. Every single mother son stock all gonna whack because of COVID. The whole economy shut down. So it lost 22%. So this is what we call the maximum drawdown. Then the rest of the bear market, like for example, the August one, right, in 2022, it is less than 22%. So by then, guys, by then, your 5,000 maybe already grow to close to 8 or 9,000 and then pull back another 15% only. You are still making money. Oh, so this is why I spend so much time to explain to you what is maximum drawdown. So you are clear and you have the correct expectation of how trading should be. Okay, next. Trendmaster 38. Okay, so Trendmaster 38 for the past 5 years, it achieved a ROI of 233%. Okay, profit factor is significantly higher than Trendmaster 100 at 15.4. The win rate is 93%. Now, the drawdown is smaller, 17%. So there is a slight better improvement in Trendmaster 38 versus the Trendmaster 100. Okay, now the next question that a lot of people like to ask is, then what strategy to use? Why do we have Trendmaster one strategy, but why do we have two different robot created out of Trendmaster? It's because our customer base has got big pocket and got small pocket. So for big pocket clients, people who can fund in excess of more than 15,000 US dollar for your trading account, okay, $15,000 in your trading account, where you will be able to use the Trendmaster 100. Not be able to, you should be using Trendmaster 100 because you will be able to take more trades. Okay, so your fund utilization will be at 92%. Now, if you have a small account, let's say you got 5,000 and you try to run Trendmaster 100, that is not so cool. Why? Because it will take a lot of trade, which means your 5K will be invested in a very, very short time, which is no good. All right, so for small account, you want to use Trendmaster 38 instead. Because if you are using a account that is less than $10,000, 10,000 US dollar, I would say, it is better you use Trendmaster 38 so that your account will take the trade slower and will not use up all the funds in a short span of time. Okay, so everybody understand? Trendmaster 38 is for small account. Trendmaster 100, more trades for bigger account. Comment 1 if you understand what I mean. Comment 1. Okay, mine is very simple. Comment 1, comment 2, comment. So you don't need to type the English word. So it's easier for you to respond. So therefore, I hope you can respond. Okay, then the next important thing for you to know is what is the trading style of the robot. Okay, every trade that the robot takes, it will invest between $1,000 to $2,000 only. This is the risk management part that will avoid the robot from over trading and explode the account. Also, this is the risk management part. I know if some traders or investors, especially those who like to contra, they want to hold one stock. Wow, I want to buy 30, 40,000 or 30, 40% of my account, or I want to buy everything on my 100%. So that is not the right way to do it. So in our robot, we have all these rules set for you so that you can ping and sun trade. All right. So $1,000 to $2,000 per stock. No matter your account got 10,000 or 20,000, okay, or 5,000, every trade is $1,000 to $2,000. Now, and every day, okay, when the strategy generates signal, right, every strategy will only take a maximum of 3 trades per day so that it do not go crazy. And like for example, tonight is FOMC, then because Jerome Powell say cut rate, right? All the stocks suddenly turn out and become very bullish, and end up with one night, all your fund deploy 100%. That is wrong. That is taking too much risk. So we limit the strategy to take only 3 trades per day for the account so that your stocks trades is spread out. Okay, it's spread out. It's not congested into one single day or two. So again, this is for risk management. Now, the next one is a very popular question that I always get in the community is the wide stop loss. A lot of people, those of you who do not know investment or trading, then it will not affect you. You will not even realize. But those of the member who are experienced, they will ask, hey, why is your stop loss so wide? Now, what is stop loss? Stop loss is the price where the stock comes down and then we know that we are wrong in the trade and the robot has to exit the trade. That is called stop loss. So it will not like buy IBM and hold all the way until IBM go to zero. No, this is not the robot. Every robot have a stop loss so that if it is wrong in the trade, it will take the loss. Okay. So why do we have a wide stop loss? Because we are buying trending stock. Okay, guys, because we are buying trending stock. So we want to avoid, okay, let me show you the stock. Okay, like for example here. We want to avoid all these pullback to unnecessarily whip us out of our position. So we want to have a wider stop loss so that it provides tolerance for the price to swing so that we can remain in the stock. Okay, so that we can remain in the stock. Oh, that is why. Okay, and why do we want to do that? Because we want to hold on to the stock and survive the big swings until the trailing stop system kick in. Once the trailing stop system kick in, right, profit is almost guaranteed. Then we will start to trend up, and then the trailing stop will start to protect our profit all the way until the day you need to exit. So this is why we have a wide stop loss. So the wide stop loss again, the wide stop loss is to prevent the stock from exiting unnecessarily before the trailing stop kick in. So we need this. Okay, once the trailing stop kick in, then this stop loss will no longer matter. Now, all the profit, stop loss, trailing stop that I'm talking about, right? If you find it too troublesome to do it by yourself, you'll be happy to know that it is fully automatic. Our system will update the price every single day for you. So you do not have to do anything at all. Okay, so this is the trading style. Like any question, ask right now. Any question in regards to the robot, how it trades, ask right now. This will be a good time to do a milestone check and then answer some of your question.